Hello guys, welcome to Byte Official. So yesterday morning I upgraded my system to Windows 11 and here you can see the same. So one thing which you would notice that I do not have a this PC icon over here in the desktop. So in this video I am going to show you how you can get the this PC item over here. Okay. So we have to first right click on the desktop and we have to go to personalize. Under personalize we'll go to themes and here under themes we will have desktop icon settings. So click on this and here we have a dialog box. We can select this PC icon by selecting computer. If you want any of the other icons like network or control panel, you can check them, but since I do not want them, I am unchecking them. Okay, so now I will apply and okay. So here you can see I have got back my this PC icon. I hope this video helps you. Thank you. Do like this video and consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more useful content